Welcome to IQ Splash! Can you guess the animal in just 10 seconds? Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Ready? Let's play!
Can you guess this animal? The answer is beaver, a clever animal. Which animal do these clues describe? It's cuttlefish. Can you identify this animal? Squirrel, a small animal that collects nuts. What animal could this be? The answer is rabbit. Can you solve this animal clue? Mountain goat that can climb steep rocky mountains. Which animal is hiding in these emojis? The answer is orca. Can you guess the animal? It's a wolf. What animal do these clues suggest? The answer is chameleon, a tree-dwelling reptile. Can you identify this sea animal? The answer is hermit crab. Which animal can you guess? The answer is fennec fox. Can you solve this difficult clue? Walrus, a large marine mammal. What animal do these emojis represent? The answer is chimpanzee. Can you guess this desert animal? It's lion, the king of the jungle. Which unusual animal is this? The answer is platypus. Can you identify this animal? Armadillo. What animal comes from these clues? The answer is vampire bat. Can you guess this clever sea creature? Octopus, an intelligent marine animal. Which unusual animal is this? Echidna, a spiny Australian mammal. Can you solve this animal puzzle? The answer is hippopotamus. Can you guess this mysterious animal? The answer is tarsier.
Thanks for watching this quiz. If you want to see more, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.